Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a PDF document using an app called Adobe Scan. Adobe Scan is a mobile app that you can use to create multi-page PDF documents using your phone's camera. So basically you take pictures of several pages and the app will convert all of that into a single PDF document. I recommend that instead of submitting several photos, you should submit a single PDF document as solutions to quizzes or assignments. For this demo, let's assume that you have written the answers or the solutions to a quiz in a notebook, and these are the 2 pages. So you have 2 pages in the solution, and we are going to create a PDF document by scanning these 2 pages. So for that, first we install Adobe Scan application from Play Store. So go to Play Store and search for Adobe Scan and you will find this app. Open the app after installing and you can see that at the bottom it's in document mode. So in document mode, just hold the page in front of the camera and you can see that it automatically identifies the corners of the page and draws this border. You can change the area of the scan by dragging along these edges, and then when you are ready you can just keep the second page in front of you and click the keep scanning button at the bottom. So now we are holding the second page in front of the camera and then you can see that it scans the second page also. You can keep doing this for more pages by tapping the keep scanning button. For now we'll just stop with 2 pages. So we are done with the scanning and now we can click this adjust and save button, and then it will show you the pages that have been scanned. So in this case we have 2 pages. This is page 1 of 2 and this is page 2 of 2. If you see that the page has not been scanned well, you can redo the scanning, but if you are happy with the scan, you can just give this file a new name. So for example, if it's real numbers quiz 2, you can just name this as real numbers quiz 2 and rename that and click save PDF. So now this is saved as a PDF file and you can see that at the top. You can share that. You may be using Google Classroom on your laptop, so it's a good idea to email this file to yourself or transfer it in some other way to your laptop. So the file is now on your phone. You can email it or transfer it through some other means so that you can open the same file from your laptop and then go to Google Classroom and upload the solutions against that quiz. So this is how you use Adobe Scan. Thanks for watching.